There was high drama at Orlando Pirates Stadium on Saturday evening as chambers flared and emotions ran high before Orlando Pirates CAF Champions League second leg clash with FC San Elio Lupopo, an evening that ultimately ended in heartbreak for the Buccaneers. Tensions were already boiling before kick-off when security personnel reportedly barred Lupopo players from entering the stadium, sparking chaotic scenes outside the gates. By the time the match got underway, the atmosphere was electric, and what followed was a roller coaster of drama, controversy, and shattered dreams. Despite producing a stunning comeback to level the 3-3 on aggregate, Pirates were left stunned as Lupopo held their nerve in the penalty shootout to seal a famous victory and book their place in the group stages. Austin Napoli's stoppage time strike had sent the home crown into delirium, giving Pirates a 3-0 lead on the evening after earlier goals from Nematachela and Yanele Mbutsuma. But when Mbutsuma's penalty flew horribly wide in the shootout, the Orlando Pirates faithful could only watch in disbelief as Lupopo's players erupted in jubilation. The match itself was anything but straightforward. It was both teams reduced to 10 men in bizarre sequence of events that included what appeared to be a case of a mistaken identity. After Namatachela opened the scoring in the 39 minutes with a composed finish, chaos broke out. Lupopo's Amel appeared to headbutt Namatachela, only for Pirates Tebang Moremi to retaliate with a shove. Incredibly, referee Mohamed Ali Musa showed red cards to Moremi and Lupopo's Chris Manania, the wrong player, while Amel escaped punishment altogether. The decision left Pirates furious and fans fuming at what many described as facial officiating. Despite the numerical disadvantage, Pirates continued to press forward in search of the goals they needed. Apolis came close early in the second half, while substitute Kabelo Dlamini added much-needed energy after coming on at halftime. In the 68th minute, Dlamini's corner was met by Mbutsuma, whose glancing header nestled into the back of the net to make it 2-0. With time slipping away, the Buccaneers threw everything forward, and their persistence finally paid off deep into stoppage time when Apolis unleashed a brilliant shot from the edge of the box to level the tie. Orlando Pirates erupted for a fleeting moment. Belief swept through the stands. Pirates had fought back from the brink, but football can be cruel. As the game went to penalties, Lupopo kept their composure while Pirates faltered. Mbutsuma, one of the heroes in the regulation time, became the villain when his decisive spot kick went agonizingly wide. Lupopo's players sank to their knees in celebration, Pirates in despair. For Abdusalam's men, the defeat marked a painful end to the Champions League journey, undone not only by Lupopo's resilience but also by costly officiating errors and missed chances. For Lupopo, the night will go down in history, a dramatic triumph achieved in hostile territory against one of Africa's most storied clubs. For Buccaneers and their supporters, however, it was the evening of chaos, courage, and ultimately crushing heartbreak. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.